Let's learn how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. Do you still use light mode in 2024? Do your friend think you're weird? Because of that, I'm going to show you how to change it. So the first thing you should do is open your Snapchat app and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your character that's on the top left of your screen. That will open your profile menu, on which you need to click on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. That again open to you a side menu on, you can see a lot of options that you won't go into for the moment, but you need to scroll down until you found the option called App Appearance, and when you find, click on that option. Now you will see 4 different options in front of you, which change your Snapchat's mode to your liking. Match System is using the base option of your phone to match it with Snapchat. Always Light makes your Snapchat color specifically white, and Always Dark makes your Snapchat specifically dark. Now they added a 4th option, which you need to pay for, which I wouldn't recommend. That option allows you to customize your Snapchat appearance to your liking, and for N, select Always Dark, and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.